Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, the IITian Coder. In this video, we will be testing I will be showing you how does the log command works. So let's go to the main activity. So suppose there is like a lot of functions and a lot of activities in your Android app. How do you make sure that your Android app is working fine at each step? Like if there is an error, how do you find that error? So in order to find that error, you should check if each function is working properly at each step. Like suppose there is a networking function, so you can not stop its function to do another task in between because it's a networking function. So how do you check it? At what point it is failing or where is the error? So for that we use the log function. So log, you can use console.log, or I will use log.v here. The first is the tag. I will demonstrate to you what tag is, and the next is message button working working properly. Okay. Yep. So now let's run the app. Okay. This log is a very powerful command and will be used a lot when you work with networking Android apps to check for errors. Okay. So here the app is loaded. When I click on button, it says button working properly. So I can use log.v various times. Button test activity, I can here write log.v user, or maybe activity and button test activity created. Okay, now let's click on debug. So now click this debug. Yeah, now click on button working properly and button test activity created. So with this log.v you can log the various steps of the function, and I will demonstrate to you as we go on with the course how this command is so powerful. So I hope this was a very short video in this course, but it is a very important video. So I hope you liked it, and please do like, share and subscribe.